Hello everyone. Fruit infusions or fruit cocktails can be enjoyed any time of the day. These are caffeine-free, very healthy drinks that can be consumed as hot or as cold. But a lot of people think that you have to go to a special restaurant or to a special tea pub to have your glass of fruit cocktail. I'm going to show you today how easy it is to make your own fruit cocktail at home. Let's quickly run through what sort of equipment you need for this simple process. So you will need some fresh water, a kettle, a fruit cocktail of your choice, a strainer and a teaspoon, a mug to transfer your hot fruit cocktail, and a pot. Well, this pot can be even a glass pot. You can also see that I have some sugar, a tall glass and a straw, and some ice cubes because I'm going to show you how to make ice cocktails as well. Now I'm going to boil the water. We always recommend you to use either filtered water or spring water, and you have to boil it up to 100 Celsius degrees or about 212 Fahrenheit. We will also require some very fresh fruit cocktail. Today I'm going to use a very famous fruit infusion blend by Basilur, Blood Orange. The water is boiling. We can move on to our next step. So we have the pot ready and we have the fruit infusion ready. Generally, the amount of fruits that you can use will depend on your choice. But traditionally, we say one for the pot and one for you. So I will use 1 teaspoon for me and 1 teaspoon for the pot. And this would be adequate for your hot fruit cocktail, which we are going to make first. Well, now the water has reached its boiling point. I'm going to pour this water directly onto the fruits. The amount of water is up to you, but we recommend about 200 ml per person. I'm going to close the lid and we will need to keep it for minimum of 5 to 7 minutes. We recommend you to stir it after about 5 minutes so that the fruit infusions will be getting a better brew. You close the lid and keep it for another 2 minutes. Now your brew is ready. I'm going to transfer it to this mug using the strainer. And I'm going to enjoy it as hot fruit infusion. You can also add any sweetener or sugar as you prefer. I'm going to take it straight. One of the best health beverages. Now let's see how we can make ice cocktail from the same infusion. You need a more stronger brew to make ice cocktail. So here I have made this special pot by using a couple of extra spoons of fruits and made it stronger. Now you need to transfer this to a tall glass like this, again using the strainer. As you could see, it is much stronger. Now you can add any sweetener like sugar or any other sweetener as you wish, but you need to cool it down to the room temperature before you add the ice. So this is with some sweetener. I can add ice as I wish, any amount of cubes. Top it up, which will give you a fine ice cocktail. You can even keep this in the fridge and drink it after a couple of days. The perfect drink for summertime. I hope now you would agree with me that making your own fruit cocktail is not as tough as you thought. Before I go, let me give you an important tip. Please store your remaining fruits in an airtight container. Keep it tight and store it away from moisture and away from sunlight. Thank you.